Okay, and we are off. I'm back from Chicago. An absolutely fantastic weekend, but it's time to get back to work. It's 6 o'clock on Monday night, and there's still some time left in the day to help out the local community and to make some money while I'm at it. So I'm about 6 minutes away from my client's house, and today I will be assembling a desk. That's basically all the information I have for right now, is that I'm assembling a desk. I do have some other work there, but I don't have the materials to do it right now. So I'm taking care of the desk assembly, then I'm gonna run over to Home Depot and grab the other materials that I need. I'm pretty sure I need some drywall, because she's got a hole in her drywall that I need to fix. In addition, I'm also making another run to a client's house to check in on a little project under their sink. They're having some problems, so that's what's on board for the rest of the day. The sun's going down in about 2 hours. But yeah, gonna make the most of the time we have left, and we're gonna try to make some money. Let's go. Well, here's a look at what's being assembled over here. This right here and this right here are all the parts. Looks like this is the top here, and this is gonna be the base. Making progress, got the table laid out, working on the desk. Okay, looks like we're all wrapped up here. Works pretty well. You can see the height increasing. It's actually pretty awesome. We'll leave it at 100. Let's go. Oh.
Okay, it does come out, but there is a lot of water in it. So
right, so you must have to shut the water off before you pull it.
Yeah.
But we'll worry about it later. Just get the filter switched and we'll go from there.
Yeah.
Does that sound good?
So that's how you remove it.
Yeah.
Sure. Now the question is, it has to be drained before we do that.
It has to be what?
Drained.
Right. Yeah, right. You just gotta turn the water off and drain it, and that'll take care of that. All right, well, go ahead and give me a call whenever you get the filter guys out here, and we'll go from there.
Sounds good.
All right.
Thank you for stopping by.
Thank you, Robbie. Oh, is that the Red Sox?
Yes.
Oh, it's top of the first. All right, so this stuff here, this Sika Pro Select Fence Post Mix, is the plan for tomorrow's job, which is going to be a fence job. So tomorrow, Tuesday, we basically need to get 10 posts in the ground. So I'm going to grab 11 of these bags of Sika Post Fix. This stuff is really, really, really cool. So I'm excited for you to see how it works tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna grab 11 of these, and we'll keep moving. So far I've already gone through all these gift cards here. Basically, this is the process. You take the gun, you scan, and it says enter the PIN. So I scratch off the PIN. What was that, 1016? I enter, and then it applies it. And this is what I've subtracted so far with the gift cards. Got this many left. Alright, well, I just used every single one of those gift cards, which is the 11% rebate that I get. Here's the receipt. Look at that, man. Look at that. All those are gift cards. Starting at $1, going up to as much as $27. Unreal. Absolutely unreal. This whole thing was like $300, and I only paid like $100. Sensational. All good. Squeeze through, good. Thank you. All right, well, it's about 9:01 on Monday night, so Home Depot actually just closed. I got out of the place just in time. Got all the materials, everything needed for tomorrow. Got my post level, got all my Sika post cement alternative stuff, and screws and a lot of other necessary and important stuff for tomorrow's job. So tomorrow we will be joined by a helper. His name is Jared, so he'll be helping out on tomorrow's job for tomorrow and Wednesday. Tomorrow we're getting the posts in the ground for this fence, and then Wednesday we'll be securing the actual fence boards to make it look like a fence. So yeah, that's what's going on. Back from Chicago, getting back in the swing of things. Yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Good night.